My name is Smile. I'm an internet marketer. So today I want to teach us how to make money online and also how to use this platform. I want to teach us to make money as a CPA affiliate marketer. So please, I want you guys to go with me. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and then please follow me as I'm going. God bless you. So the name of the uh, boat I'll be talking about today, because actually the boat is Telegram boat. The name of the boat is called Ad Clicker. I will drop the link on my description button, and if you are also interested in knowing this boat, you can drop it on my comment section. Just type yes or tell me that you are interested in this boat, then I will send it to you. So let's go to today's lesson. This platform this platform I want to discuss with you guys. It's just like Fiverr. Many of us are familiar with Fiverr. Fiverr is in two phase. You can be hired and you can also hire someone. So here on this platform, for those of you that you are into CPA affiliate marketing, but you don't know how to start, don't worry. I'm going to teach you how you can start with 0 naira, 0 penny. If you don't have any money to start with your CPA affiliate marketing, yes, it's okay. This is another way whereby you can do it on your own without having any penny with you. So the first thing I'm going to teach you is how you can make money on this boat. That is one. And how you can use that money to do CPA affiliate marketing. That's the second phase, and I'll be treating that in the second video. So please follow me. Now this is my own boat. Let me go back to my dashboard. Oh, I didn't put on data, so I'll go back to the dashboard. Okay, so this is the dashboard. We have balance, we have Telegram task, we have micro task, we have web task, we have referral, and then we have settings, and these ads. Now the first thing you are going to do, for those of you that you didn't have money at all to start this CPA affiliate marketing, I want to teach you how you can see money, you can make money online, and then use that money to do CPA affiliate marketing. Now on this boat, you can make money by performing tasks, just like Fiverr. On Fiverr, you perform tasks and they pay you. So here also you perform tasks and they pay you. So this is a micro worker website whereby you perform tasks and they pay you for it. Now what are the tasks you can do here? There's a part of the task whereby you work on Telegram. So I'll click on it now. Let's see. It said on this section you will get paid USD by completing Telegram task. So what are the Telegram tasks we have here? One, we have join chat. So when you join chat, they pay you for that. If you click on it, they pay you for that. We have message bot. You can talk with bot and then it pays you on the time you spend with it. You have view post. You can also view post. So when someone posts and then you view it, they pay you for that. We have channel also. When you join channels, they pay you, and that chat invite is when someone will send you an invitation on Telegram, and then when you respond to that invitation, they will pay you for that. But I'm not going into that. If you are interested in this app, just let me know, or maybe let me just do one. Let me check whether there's tax on joining chat. Okay, there's one here. There's a warning. The following is a third party advertisement. We are not responsible for this. So they said you should join this um, channel. So let's join. Let's join the chat. So me joining the chat, they are going to pay me. So let's wait and join the chat. Oh, join chat. So this is the chat. This is the channel. So when I join it, they are going to watch me for some minutes. So after the minutes has exceed, and then they will pay me. You can see how many people are on this chat, and even this chat I think is a money making group. You can also find opportunity here also. There are many tasks on this group chat, so I'll just click join. That is, I've performed the task, and then they will verify me and said, okay, can you see? He said you must stay in this chat for at least 1 hour. So after 1 hour, when they verify that I've stayed on the group for 1 hour, I'll be paid immediately. And that one is this. They said one in okay, betting. This one is betting channel, something like that. Let's join it. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, this is another group. So when I join it, you are into betting stuff of a thing, because this is not my own thing. But anyway, you can generate traffic from here. So I've joined. So they are going to watch me for some minutes. Let me tell them now I've joined. So it says successful, and it's another chat. And just do as many as possible, and you are going to pay. The minimum payout is 0.05. 0.05. So that's the minimum payout for each tax that you have done. That's the minimum. Some can pay you $1, some can pay you $2. It's just the minimum. So that's it about that. We have some other tax also. If I go back now, we have micro tax. You can click on micro tax. So let's look at the tax. It said on this section you will get paid USD by completing micro tax. It says click on the tax, choose a tax and open, complete the tax and submit proof. So let's look at the micro tax. Let's see the number of tax that we have. So this one here, they said is worldwide. Can you see? Your target is worldwide. You are just asked to download this app and then you will be paid. If you want to open the task, you click on open. But now I'm not interested in doing any task for now. So let's look at another task here. This is another one. They said it's worldwide. They said earn Tron on tronox.com and the category is app. So you are going to be paid 0.1 as a reward. 0.1, and out of 25 people, 90 people have performed the task. We have 17 tasks here, so we have checked 2. Let's go to 3. You can see this one is 0.45. 0.45. They said simple tax and big. This one is just sign up. So when you sign up with the tax and then you get paid. Let's look at another one. This one is 0.35. So we have MetaDex. You are just asked to download the app. So we have many of them. We have many. This one is also sign up. Many of them. This one is also sign up. 0.30 USD. We have many of them. 0.02 is sign up on Dodge Pool. So we have many tasks here. The reason why I love this boat is that you can easily make money fast here. You can make money fast, and the money I make here, I use it for CPA affiliate marketing. So I'll be talking on that on the next page. So let's just look how much I've made on this boat. How much I've made on this boat. So through this boat, I've actually raised. Okay, I've used some of the balance for ads. So presently in this boat, I make 1.27 USD. That's the balance. But I have $5 there before, but I've used it for ads. So let me see my ads. Let me show you my ads, because I generate traffic from this. Okay, maybe I should do that in the next video. So there's a way you are going to set your ads. So my ads, these are my ads. Okay, yeah, okay, these are my ads. So these are my ads. I have, okay, out of 25, 7 have been performed. And let me see the other one. This another one. Out of 25, 6 have been performed. And another one here. Okay, this one is still 0. It's still 0. No one has performed it because it was paused. That was a mistake. The status was paused. So it's running now. So with this boats, you can actually make money online and then use it for your CPA affiliate marketing. So in the next video, I'm going to teach you how you can use this boat, make money on it, and also use it for your CPA affiliate marketing. So see you on my next page. Thank you so much. God bless you. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel share my video, and drop your comment. If you want the link to this boot, drop your comment. Thank you so much.